Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best computer power supply. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Bitcoin Mining PSU PC Power Supply. Specifications: brand name, Sinlifang. Modular, non-modular. Number of SATA ports, 8. Graphics card 12 volts, pin number, 8 pin. CPU power connector, 8 pin. Interface type, 24 pin. Application, mining. Input voltage, 180 to 240 volts. Certification, CE, EAC, FCC. Number 4 on our list is 2000 watts mining power supply. Specifications: brand name, no N_name_null. Modular, full modular. Fans, 1. Application, desktop, server. Output, 12V 3.3V 5V. Input voltage, 180 to 240 volts. Certification, CE, FCC. Number 3 on our list is Thermalright DRTG750SW. Specifications: brand name, Thermalright. Model number, DRTG750SW. Modular, non-modular. Number of SATA ports, 3. Graphics card 12 volts, pin number, 2x6 pin. CPU power connector, 8 pin. Application, desktop. Output, 3.3 volts. Certification, CE, RoHS. Number 2 on our list is Silent Fan Game Computer Power Supply. Specifications: brand name, no N_name_null. Model number, ATX 850 watts. Modular, full modular. Fans, 1. Private first class type, active. Number of SATA ports, 6. Graphics card 12 volts, pin number, 8 pin. D-type bus number, 3. CPU power connector, 8 pin. Interface type, 20+4 pin. Application, desktop, server. Output, 20A. Input voltage, 110 to 264 volts. Certification, CE, FCC. Number 1 on our list is Julong Fengbao Power Supply. Specifications: brand name, no N_name_null. Model number, ATX 1600 watts. Modular, full modular. Fans, 1. Private first class type, active. Number of SATA ports, 3. Graphics card 12 volts, pin number, 8 pin. D-type bus number, 5. CPU power connector, 8 pin. Interface type, 20+4 pin. Application, desktop, server. Output, 25A. Input voltage, 100 to 240 volts, 14.8A, 47 to 63 Hz.